Okay guys, so now that our pot of water is coming up to a boil, let us prepare our cauliflower. Now this is some cauliflower that I grew in my garden, in my hydroponic system. If you're interested in checking that out, you can, on my channel, go to my garden playlist and you would see those videos there. Actually, I think I have a playlist called hydroponic related and garden videos, garden related videos. So just check it out and you would find the videos showing where I grew my hydroponic cauliflower. All right, so I already washed it. So what we're going to do now is just cut the different florets here, get it prepared to be blanched in our pot of salted water. Okay, so I'm just gonna make the florets a little smaller in terms of bite size. So I'm just like cutting through it so it'll be easier to handle. Alright, so let us go and boil this for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, so we're going to be making ginger garlic cauliflower. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to blanch our cauliflower. So what we're going to do is we have our pot here with water. We're going to bring it up to a boil. I'm going to season my water with some sea salt. So here we can see our water is boiling. Okay, so what we're going to do is put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in our pan here. And we're going to be using a ginger garlic paste. I also picked some seasoned peppers from my garden. I'm going to add that as well to it to saute and bring out some flavor. So this is not a hot pepper, this is seasoned pepper. So I'm going to continually stir this because I don't want the garlic and ginger to burn. Actually, you know what? Let me get a wooden spoon to use. I want to soften my my peppers a little bit. Alright, so at this point I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay, now we're going to add in our boiled cauliflower. I'm going to add a little more olive oil to this. It's a little bit dry. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, we're going to season our cauliflower. So we're going to season with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. We're going to season with some Mrs. Dash seasoning blend. And this is optional. We're going to put some red chili flakes as well. Not much. So here we have nicely prepared our cauliflower that we grew in our hydroponic system.